to help keep you in the picture with what's on at the picture.
Next week, Paul Jones introduces Songs of Praise from County Donegal in the Republic of Ireland. That's next Sunday at 6:40. Well, BBC Two shortly will be taking another journey into the natural world and highlighting the plight of the rhino, which is in danger of extinction as the hunters maintain a lucrative trade in horns. Here on One, trade at Arkwright's Corner Shop is doing brisk business, open all hours.